partner, welcome back to more channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, because please guys, I am losing followers on Instagram, so you guys have to help me, so please follow me. So you guys, in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making a fluffy slime. So this is a fluffy slime, but wait, we are using no shaving cream. We're actually going to use a secret ingredient, and I'm so really excited to show you guys how to make this fluffy slime with a hair product. So you guys, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go make this slime, so let's go. So you want to start off with any type of glue. I am using Jock glue. This is the Dollar Tree's glue. You guys know I love this glue. It's cheap. You get it like 2 of them for $1. So I am using that glue. Now I'm going to use Aussie's hair mousse. This is the first one, and I love this mousse for my hair. So I am going to use it for the slime. I'm shaking it up just a little bit just to make sure all that mousse becomes really fluffy instead of liquidy. So I just added a little bit. You don't want to add too much to the glue, and I'm just going to mix this all up until it's combined. You want to make sure your mixture is nice and combined and you get rid of the mousse and the glue. So now I'm going to add 2/4 teaspoons of baking soda. That's a 1/2 teaspoon for those who like to be correct about the situation. Now I'm adding 2 drops of yellow food coloring, and we're just going to mix that all in until it's combined. We're just going to get all that food coloring in just to make sure it is combined into our glue and our Aussie mousse. Anyone else like mousse on their hair? I love it. Now I did add another 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm just going to mix that in. I just wanted to make sure that I had enough baking soda so it can actually become slime, you guys. Now I'm just going to add my contact lens solution, and I'm just going to stir. So it's mixed with contact lens solution, and then we stir it in until our mixture becomes a fluffy slime. So this is really cool. So if your mother, your mom, or your sister, or anybody you know uses hair like mousse on their hair, like hair mousse, make sure you take it and you make this slime, because it is so fun to make and it lasts a really long time, and it's pretty sticky. But what I noticed, you got to mix it in until it becomes slime. So this is me showing you guys how sticky it is, and I really enjoyed this slime, you guys. It was just the best slime I've ever made, and I just want to show you what you can do with it. You can do anything. Voila, bam. So now we're going to go to the next mixture after I play with this one a little bit, but we are going to go to the next mixture, and the next mixture is going to be the borax one that I'm going to show you guys, but let's just play with this one for a little bit. So now we're going to do the borax one. So I'm going to use 8 ounces of Elmer School glue now, because I couldn't find the rest of my Jock glue. So I just had to work with what I had. So I'm using about 8 ounces of Elmer School glue. And now we're going to add our water. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water, and that's 1/8 of a cup that I am using. I'm going to mix that in until it's combined, because you know when you add a little water and a little bit of the glue, you got to mix it in, especially when you use the borax solution. And if you guys can't use borax, then just use the contact lens solution. I am using that hair mousse, and I'm adding more of it, and I'm just going to mix it in. Now the one with the borax solution was really fluffy. Like, it was fluffy, cloud fluffy, like super fluffy, you guys, and it was really fun to play with. So I'm just going to mix in that hair mousse until it's
combine, and you want to mix it all in, especially with the water, because we did add more water. So now I'm going to add the borax solution, and my borax solution is just a tablespoon of borax. As you can see, half of it is still at the bottom, and a cup of water. So a tablespoon of borax to a cup of water, and then you warm it in a microwave, and then eventually, if you half warm it, you get crystals. So now you just see me mixing that mixture in, and then once I mix it in, I'm probably going to add a little more borax because it did get sticky, you guys, just really sticky. But can you see how fluffy it is? And you know, I was just scraping the sides of the bowl to make sure I got all that glue. But do you see how fluffy this is? It's really fluffy. So I'm going to show you the rest of the tutorial of what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring to it and play with it. I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Bye, you guys.